Not see this. This is equator. The horizontal lines are what?
Latitude.
They are
Latitude.
latitudes. Okay.
And vertical are longitude.
These are 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay. So different regions ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So when these are longitudes. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಈಗ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ horizontal. Here only 23 and half ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Okay, 66 and half is also there. Here it is 0 degree ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. So this is divided into each degree 360 degree divided. Fine. But generally on globe we will see 15 degree each. 15 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree maintain. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ did you get to know the seasons why seasons will happen? It is not because earth is far away from sun or closest to the sun we experience winter and summer. It is because how the axis of earth is tilting, whether it is tilting towards the sun or away from the sun, or the sun's rays are falling on equator. Okay, equally on both the hemispheres equally. That time you will experience shift of seasons. Okay, summer to winter and winter to summer, like this. So now there is one more concept called twilight. Twilight ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅದು ಇದರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟುವರ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ಇದರಿಗೆ ಟ್ವೈಲೈಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಟ್ವೈಲೈಟ್. ಟ್ವೈಲೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ವೈಲೈಟ್?
Something related to sky.
Something related to sky. Light is that means it is something related to sky only. ಆದರೆ ಟ್ವೈಲೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ವಿಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ 30, 40, 50 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sun has already set at 6:15, but you will keep seeing sunlight though there is no sun. You keep seeing sunlight for one extra hour. Andre if sun has set at 6:15, you will see sunlight. It is like well lit evening till 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock also. As the places go towards poles, they will experience more and more twilights. Understood?
Russia, sir. Russia experience.
Russia experience because it is in the northern hemisphere, most northern hemisphere, near towards subpolar regions. Okay, summer nallu hange agtade. Day time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the sun has not yet risen, still you will be able to see morning light. So if it might be 5 o'clock only, that is why, but the sun will rise at 6:15 or 6:10, but sunlight starts coming at 5:10 only. So you will get 2 extra hours in a day. Yes, 2 extra hours of daylight in a day. That time what these northward situated countries do is they forward their watches by 1 and 1.5 hour or maximum 2 hours, and they will save time. How they will save time? See, actually according exactly 6:10 or 6:15 sunrise should happen. Sunrise ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 6:10ಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ since sunlight is coming early, they will set their watches 1 hour early. So they will wake up at 5 o'clock only. They will go to office. Actually office timing is 10 o'clock, but they are present in office at 9 o'clock only, and their office timing finishes at 4:30, 5 o'clock, but they are finishing it at 3:30, 4 o'clock only. So they are getting more leisure time in the evening. So that is why in the phones which are manufactured in those South Korea agli, Samsung ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ phones ಇದಲ್ಲ, they will have one feature called daylight saving period. You know? Have you seen it in your phone settings? It is there. If you go and check the clock, okay, daylight saving time period starts now ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It starts from March till it will stay till October, November, December ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Because during summer month they will keep experiencing extra daylight. Morning 1 hour extra jaldi sunlight ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, evening 1 hour extra late ಆಗಿ night ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So they will get lot of leisure time. So they will turn the clocks 1.5 hours early, means ahead, so that they will finish the work early and they will have lot of leisure time. Have you seen ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, summer winters are very harsh there. Okay, it will be snow, you can't even go out. So before winter lockdown ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ so they will be having that autumn period where they will experience maximum leisure time. Leisure time ಅಂದ್ರೆ they will go party. Okay, they have lot of ಏನಂತಾರೆ pleasant climate in the evening. Evenings are anyway very pleasant, right? So they will, because of extra 1 hour sunlight, their evenings are extra pleasant. So they will have one watch feature in their mobiles also called daylight saving period. Daylight saving period ಅಂದ್ರೆ the daylight is saved by waking up early, going to office early, finishing the work early. Understood? This way. That is what is twilight. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? twilight ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. So you 66.5 ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? This is called Arctic Circle. ಏನು? Arctic Circle, and this 66.5 is called Antarctic Circle. Okay, these are anyway Capricorn and Cancer. Capricorn is Cancer. It is equator. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. Understood? So you 1 degree divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 degree ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. And for our understanding 23 and 66 are most important. Okay, the areas below that are tropical, above are subtropical. Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ more towards temperate, subpolar and polar. Understood? ಈ ರೀತಿ. And ಇದು 5 degree north of equator and 5 degree south of equator, it is called equatorial. Okay, equatorial.
So that this one
Yes. Huh?
that above part is northern hemisphere, below part is southern hemisphere.
ಹೌದು. Correct. Okay. So when you merge both of this, we get what? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
Grid.
Yes, it is called geographical grid. ಏನು? Geographical grid ಅಂತ. So because of this grid only, you are accurately pinpointing. Okay, 78 degree north or 34 degree north and 84 degree east ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ವಿಚ್ ಮೆರಿಡಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ವಿಚ್ ಮೆರಿಡಿಯನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ವಿಚ್ ಮೆರಿಡಿಯನ್. ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮೆರಿಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 degree ಮೆರಿಡಿಯನ್. From there each degree, okay, is having, so each degree is how many minutes? 4 minutes. Okay, that is why 360 degree as well will have 24 hours.